Welcome to Beginning Word Processing. I'm Nancy Backlund, I'm your instructor. This video is to help you have a successful start to the course. You've chosen a class that's going to teach you something no matter what prior knowledge you already have in using Microsoft Word. So the way to get started is there's a matrix of buttons at the bottom of this page below the video. Click the Welcome button. That's going to take you to the Welcome module. You'll see a table. You'll click on the first page or link in that table, which I believe is Welcome. Read through that page and then click Next at the bottom right corner. Do this as you continue through the pages. At the end of the module, there are 3 different assignments that or activities that you'll need to complete. And then once you've done that, the week 1 module opens. Okay, those have to be done before it will open. We hit the ground running in the class, so you do need to get started with your textbook and code. But if for some reason you're unable to purchase these first 2 weeks, there is a 14-day free trial that allows you access to the ebook and the Cirrus platform, which has a lot of the tutorials to help you learn the material. If you have any questions during the course or about the assignment instructions, please let me know. You can send me an email through the inbox link on the left side of your screen there. I will check my emails regularly throughout the term and hopefully get right back to you. There may be a small delay throughout the day, but I should be able to reply. And please stay in contact. I'm here for you, even though we're in an online environment. Don't feel like your email is burdening me. That's my job. So questions, comments, I welcome them. Okay? If you have anything else you'd like to share, that's fine too. So good luck and have a great semester.